So hi everyone, today we will be exploring how you can set up MiniCPM-v2. So basically MiniCPM-v2 is one of the strongest multimodal LLM, and the best part is it is just having 2.4 billion parameters, and depending upon the metrics it is performing at par with GPT-4 on multimodal capabilities. So it is that strong. It is also called as a mobile LLM, that it can be deployed on small devices. So let's get started. Let's understand the code, how to use it. So first of all, you need to pip install all these libraries. As you can see, Pift, Pillow, Tim, Torch Vision, Transformer, Sentence Piece. Next, you need to set up your Hugging Face token. I have already explained how to get your Hugging Face tokens from Access tokens on your Hugging Face account. Once done, we will be loading the auto model from pre-trained OpenBNB Mini CPM v2, as you can see, and then we would be using more model to device equals to CUDA to use the GPU. As you can see, my RAM is full now. I'm using Google Collab. Here, what we would be doing, we would be loading the tokenizer for the model, as we do for any transformer, any model that is available on Hugging Face. Once done, I would be opening up an image demo.png. So if I show you, here you can see that this is the image that I'm asking it to read, a child sitting on a shark in a desert. Now I'm asking it the question what is in the image and passing it in this particular format, role user, content is the question. Now if you're using Google Colab, you need to set up these two parameters also, torch.backend CUDA enable mem efficient and enable flash SDP equals to false, because I was facing some error in the code that was mentioned, and you need to add these flags to run the model on Colab. Once done, you need to call model.chat, pass the image, pass the message prompt, and rest of the parameters like temperature, and then print the result. So here you can see that you are getting the result. The image captures a young child riding on the back of an oversized lifelike shark toy. The scene is set against the backdrop of sand dunes and mountains under a clear blue sky with scattered clouds. What a detailing! If you again go back to see the image, it has captured almost every element of the image that was passed to it and looks great. I think I used Mini CPM version 1, it was also good, and this is looking even better. And with this model size, I think it is even deployable also. So I hope you try Mini CPM v2 and let me know in comments what are your views about the model. Thank you.